time to do some makeup. I figured let's match our shirt today, so we're gonna do burgundy. So we always start with the basics, darling, because we are not trying to look like a dried out raisin bran, okay? We need to be hydrated. So, anti-aging concealer, because we need to look bright and awake today. It's nail day. We're gonna get these fixed. Contour, all right, to chisel out the face, because we're not trying to look like a blank canvas, darling. That's not why we put makeup on. I have a new one. I just don't want to waste this one. Let's apply our foundation in between all of this other stuff. My bird is talking to me. We must set this. We must set. Oh. Blend away with our freshly cleaned brushes. Concealer first. Always blend concealer, then the foundation, then the contour. I feel so much better. Once we got this all blended out, I don't look like a crazy lady anymore. Beautiful. We must set this, okay? Because we're not trying to put all this on just for it to come off. That would be useless. I got this new bronzer. It's like a nice fake bronzer. Gives you a beautiful glow. Ooh! So we're going to use this one today. Oh, I love it. Look at it. It gives you like a bronze without the sun. I think purple will suit our shirt colors. So we're going to use this as a blush. We need a little bit of illuminizer. Ooh, illuminizer so we glow. Okay, it may be cloudy and gloomy out today, but that doesn't mean we can't look like the sunshine. Let's just fix these brows real quick. But before we do that, we have to open a new mirror. This just dropped. Ooh! Look. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Always brush your brows up and out, okay? Because we're not trying to look angry. Trying to have some attitude around here. Oh, I'm a professional, just not at holding things. A shipment has arrived. Yes, it arrived like 3 hours ago. Why are you telling me now? For the burgundy, we're going to use this soft Glam palette. Mulberry color right there. Goes in your crease, all right? And make sure you tap off your brushes, because we're not trying to have freckles of color all over our face. We're going to take that same color and put it underneath the lower lash line, because we're trying to be smoked out today. Right now, what you're going to want to do is take a lighter color to blend out this edge. We can take a nude color from here, or we're going to take a pink. I'm going to take this dusty pink color. Big fluffy brush, different brush, not the same brush we were just using. And you're just going to put this right where that eyeshadow ends, okay? A little bit on the lid. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Also fade it underneath here if you want. It's a little too dark. Just take a little bit of that like pink color. Look at that. Oh, you're a pro. You're a pro. I knew it this whole time. Would like a shimmer or a white. Let's take this rosy pink color. All right, we're gonna apply that on the rest of the lid. And take the white out of this palette and just, you know, do a little brightening. We're gonna clean up the edge here so we look like a professional. And make sure you blend the line out. I do think it'd be nice to smoke this out a bit. So we're gonna take a little bit of a brown and put the inner waterline. Or you could do black, but I don't want to do it I don't want it to be too much, you know what I'm saying? The brown actually looks so good because it gives it a little bit of a reddish orange tinge. I like it. Now we can do mascara. We're gonna put this primer on first, this brown primer. Right, this is just with the primer on. Now we need to flip this around and put the mascara on. This looks absolutely stunning. So we need a nice stunning lip liner. I'm going to use this color called Raisin, which also matches my shirt. A little bit of pink would be lovely. So, you already know we have to ombre, because that's just what I do. Just going to do a little bit with concealers. conceal those lips, you know what I'm saying? Topple it off with this gloss. Oh, it's stunning. I love it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. I really hope they make a full size for this. Do a full strip today, shall we? Goddess. Alright, no lash glue. We love that. You just take the little magnet and you click it in underneath the lash and you have to go boop. Boop is part of the process. If you're not booping, what are you doing? A boop. A boop. And we're done with one side. Yes, I really like this. Okay, we need to put our hair down so we can see what else to add. Oh, so pretty. Okay, a little more bronzer. We're gonna use a different bronzer this time. This one will give us a little more depth. Okay. Stunning, darling. Absolutely stunning. But let's add a little bit of this pink, shall we? Just to brighten things up a bit. Let me go put some jewelry on and I'll be right back. We are done. Cute. I mean, this turned out beautiful. If you would like a link to everything that I used in this look, just comment Burgundy below and I will send you a link. Pretty stuff. Do you want a headband? This might look so cute with the headband. Oh! Look at how cute. Do I look Russian? I mean, the headband. So cute with this look.